Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to add sticky bottom navbar in mobile view using WoodMart theme. So navigate to theme settings, click on the general action and click on mobile bottom navbar. Here you can enable the option enable sticky navbar. Here you can select the button which you want to show on the bottom bar like wishlist. I have selected the wishlist mobile menu and card button and my account. Also here you can add the custom button. You can add the custom URL, add the custom button text, or you can upload the custom button icon which you want. So then save the option and then refresh the page. Here you can see the mobile bottom navbar. It is looking smoothly when I click on the cart option. If you have found the video helpful, please subscribe and like my YouTube channel.